How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake from Trade Confident LLC. In today's video, I'm going to take you over a quick overview of Ethereum USD on the 1-day time frame. In this video, I'm going to show you a lot of data. Personally, I'm leaning pretty bullish, and I want to show you exactly where I think Ethereum is going and when. Let's jump into it. As I usually do in my videos, the first thing I want to do is talk to you about patterns in Ethereum. Now, Ethereum here has a long history of a pretty significant channel. There's been a couple supports and resistances that were currently within that have tracked for a very long time, even since the very beginning of 2023. Zooming back in, I just wanted to show you where those actually came from. We have another structure support on this yellow line, a horizontal one at about $1,818. Now this structure support has multiple touches. Of course, the first one, the second one right here, this one's not quite it, but we have a third and fourth touch right here. Since breaking below this ascending structure support, which is now resistance, Ethereum has been moving basically sideways against this $1,818 structure support. Where we stand currently, price versus while money flow topped out about halfway up its chart and has been moving down since then, and because of that, we've seen two bearish candles in a row. Now this isn't as low as I'd like it to see quite yet, but we did bounce into long trade zone, actually bottomed out, and are now up closer to the middle towards a 68% chance of a pump. Now both of these readings are somewhere between bullish and neutral, kind of in that area. Personally, as the price drops, I'd like to see price versus while money flow lower and trades in favor lower, ideally in the long trade zone here before we really see any significant moves up. Over a 70% chance would be ideal for me for the next pump. If we can see both of those, I think we're going to see pretty significant moves up, especially because we just received a buy signal at about this same level. If we receive another buy signal here, I think that's going to be extremely bullish. Now, at this time, we have the breakout detector on our side. We have just barely fallen into the breakout zone. What this means to you as a trader is significant moves are coming soon. You'll see this line up. Right here, we saw a low in the breakout detector. We dropped into the breakout zone, and then immediately after, we saw significant moves upward. Right back here, breakout zone, crazy move to the upside again. It happens over and over again. There was even a perfect call of an actual breakout here. Breakout zone, breakout to the downside. This is the reason why I'm actually expecting pretty significant moves. When we have bullish signals plus a reading in the breakout zone, this is likely to be a pretty significant move to the upside. So we have the direction we're likely to go based on the price versus while money flow and trades in favor indicators. We know how large the move is likely to be based on the breakout detector. We know to look for when the move up is actually going to happen with the TC top and bottom finder. The only question is, where is the next move up likely to go? For that, I'm going to turn off the TC top and bottom finder and turn on the support and resistance levels. You'll notice a very interesting level right here, $1,928. This line has significant structure resistance right about here, and at the same time, it's actually going to intersect with our ascending structure resistance while also moving parallel to our current horizontal structure support. To make it easier to see, I'm actually going to mark it off with a red line. I do want to point out the possibility of a significant move up. While I am expecting a drop, retest of the structure support, and a bounce back up, if we do break past this $1,928 range, I think we could blast upwards, testing our local high of $2,029. I think we could absolutely test this far up. All we need to do is break past this $1,928 mark. We'll keep you updated on that, but from the current price, a move up to our closest structure resistance is just about a 5% move. If we want to be exact, 4.92%. But again, keep in mind that we're actually looking for a bounce first, so a bounce from this structure support is actually going to be closer to about 6%. Now, of course, I'll be keeping you updated the best I can, but as we approach this next structure resistance, you need to be paying attention to these indicators. Really quickly, I want to show you how you can actually tell if we're going to stop at a resistance. If, as we approach $1,928, we see price versus while money flow high, we see trades in favor near or in the short trade zone with a chance of a drop, and especially if we see a sell signal with all three of these signals right here, this is where we can assume the top is likely to happen. From there, you'll be very likely to see moves down. Whether that happens here or at $2,029, you'll need to see with these indicators. You're in luck right now too. I could show you how to get $550 off our best indicators we have to offer. Let me show you how. If you want to grab the indicators, all you have to do is check out the links in the description down below. Scroll down here, click more. You're going to click the indicator link here, the second one. It'll bring you to our pro indicator page. Go ahead and scroll down here. Now, what you're going to want to do first is actually purchase a membership. This is hugely in your benefit. This is because the membership discount is $150 $50 off instead of only $50 for non-members. With a membership, the discount here is still much larger even after paying for the membership than the non-membership discount on its own. Once you have your membership, click the access coupon code here, find that coupon code, and then click the Pro Indicator pack. From there, you'll want to click I want this. After that, you'll want to fill in your information, click pay. This will offer you another $400 off our TC Top and Bottom Finder. This gets you our Pro Indicator pack and our TC Top and Bottom Finder for $550 off. Absolutely insane. Just click add to cart, finish the checkout process, and you're good to go. Once you add the indicators to your chart, again, you're just looking for the price to move down. You'll see price versus while money flow drop and likely trades in favor drop too, with an even higher % chance of a pump. If we get a buy signal at that level, this is almost a guaranteed move up to at least structure resistance at $1,928, if not higher at $2,029. From there, you'll just be looking for price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high, and possibly a sell signal at either of these resistances to find the next move down. With that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.